So now, if we run the program, we will change the color of the button to yellow if we get the correct password. Let's run it and see. Now if we type the name Elaine into the password, it would change the color of the button to yellow. While we're on this subject, let me add a couple neat side features. For example, when I start the program, I need to move the mouse and click on the entry box first before I can type. This is really annoying. For me, personally, it's just too much work.
You are so lazy.
That was my mom. I just had to get that in there. So, for lazy people like me, we want to focus on the entry box automatically when we start the program. This command lets you do that. int.focus. Let's run the program and see what happens. Notice how now we don't need to move the mouse to click on it before we can type. This is automatically focused on the entry box. You might call me lazy, but hey, if every time you can save a quarter second going onto Google to search for something, you'll save a lot of time. Anyway, I also want you to notice that when we press the button, the password we typed in stay there. Sometimes we might just want to empty the entry box. This could be done easily with this command, delete, 0 to end. This command basically deletes what's inside the entry box, from position 0 all the way to the end. So if we run the program again now, we will delete what's inside the entry box when we press the button. Let's run the program. See how the entry box is automatically clear? Isn't it nice? Now that I have shown you how to delete the entry box, I might as well show you how to write stuff in them too. To write text directly into the entry box, we use this command, int.insert, 0, we'll write wrong password. The first argument, 0, determines where you want to insert the text. And the second argument says what you want to write into the text. So in this case, we're writing at the 0th position. We should probably empty the entry box before we write something in it. So I will put the delete statement in front of the insert statement. So let me explain to you the logic with this program. We'll read the password, check if the password is correct. If it's correct, we'll change the color of the button. If the password is wrong, we'll delete the entry box and print out wrong password. Clear enough? Well, if you don't get it, we'll run the program now so you see what I mean. See how if I get the correct password, the button will change into the yellow brick. Now, if I get the wrong password, it will now print I got the wrong password. Basically, the insert command, or they actually call methods, insert methods, inserts text into the entry box. Okay, we did a lot today. Let me give you a quick refresher. From the last class, we learned how to make decisions using the if statement. We learned that inside the if statement, we need double equal signs. From this, we create a password checker and made the password Elaine. We learned how to focus on the entry box because, well, we're lazy. And we learned how to insert and delete what's inside the entry box. All these we learned in less than 10 minutes. Good job. So for your homework, I want you to write an email sign-in account. You need to put in the correct email address as well as the password in order to get in the email system. Instead of programming the entire email server, which is kind of hard, just change the color of the button to blue or something. It's a lot of work to program an email server. The key here is that now you have 2 entry boxes to manage. In order for you to enter the email server, you need to get entry 1 and entry 2, both of them correctly. Try this out, because in the future, you might want to lock people out of your program. Good luck with it. This is all the time we have for today, and this is Che. Until next time.